Let's talk about mobile-first design and media queries. Mobile-first design means that you start with the smallest screen in mind and then add styles as the screen gets bigger. This keeps your app lightweight and user-friendly. It may seem counterintuitive at first, but mobile-first design prioritizes the most important content. When users are viewing your web page on a phone, you want that content to be easily accessible without excessive scrolling or unnecessary confusion. Mobile First prioritizes the most essential content and features for mobile devices. By focusing on the smallest screen size first, designers are encouraged to identify and highlight only the most critical elements of the user experience. This approach promotes a content-first mindset, which naturally leads to a user-centered design. By emphasizing the core content and functionality early on, the result is often a more streamlined, intuitive interface that's beneficial across all device sizes. In addition to enhancing usability, mobile-first design is increasingly important for search engine optimization, or SEO. Search engines like Google prioritize mobile-friendly websites in their rankings, making responsiveness not just a design concern, but a crucial factor for visibility and discoverability on the web. Today, most of the web traffic comes from handheld devices such as smartphones and tablets. Studies consistently show that users are more likely to browse, shop, and engage with content on their phones than on traditional desktop computers. This shift in user behavior reinforces the importance of designing with mobile users in mind from the outset. By adopting a mobile-first approach, designers and developers ensure that the websites are accessible, efficient, and engaging on the device that most people use every day. While mobile-first design starts with building for smaller screens, websites still need to adapt as screen sizes increase. This is where media queries in CSS become essential. Along with that viewport meta tag that we've discussed, it's important to use media queries in conjunction with that tag to make your site mobile friendly. Media queries apply CSS rules only when specific conditions such as screen size or resolution are met. Media queries are conditional CSS rules that apply styles based on characteristics of the user's device, such as the screen width, height, orientation, or resolution. They allow developers to progressively enhance their designs for larger screens. In a mobile-first workflow, the base styles are written for small screens by default, and then media queries are used to add or override styles for tablets, laptops, and desktop monitors, allowing the layout and content to scale gracefully with the available space. Here's an example of a media query written in CSS. This media query is placed beneath all other CSS rules in the style sheet. It sets a condition using the @media screen and min width 500 pixels, meaning that if the screen width is 500 pixels or wider, the styles inside the curly braces will be applied. In this case, only if the screen is 500 pixels or wider will the header element display with a larger font size 2EM and a black font color, and the main element will switch to a 3-column grid layout using the grid template columns. This allows developers to start with a simple, mobile-optimized layout and gradually add complexity as more screen space becomes available. It ensures that the design is scalable, readable, and functional across all devices. Mobile-first design combined with the media queries gives you a powerful control over your layout and the user experience.